You have two main ways to turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode. So the first method is to go to Settings, then choose Notifications, and over here we have Do Not Disturb, where we can enable or disable this option by tapping on the switcher. We can also decide to later manually disable Do Not Disturb, or you can set up the timer. So for example, you can turn on DND mode for 1 hour or more if you increase that time. And if you press turn on, then that's pretty much it. And in addition to that, we also have the option to change from how long over here, so we are not asked every time, but we can choose the preset over here. Besides that, we also have schedule settings. Besides that, the second option is to go to quick settings, and over here you should also be able to find DND mode, especially if you unfold this panel. In my case, DND mode is over here, so we can tap here in order to also choose to enable or disable DND mode. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.